Hey, I'm Travis Moye. We're here at the boarding school in Orlando, Florida. I spent the majority of my life sitting behind the steering wheel of a MasterCraft, and in that time I've learned a lot of tips and tricks. We're going to help pass along a few today to make docking your boat easier. If you're new to the world of inboards, one thing you need to understand is that inboards do back primarily one direction. The boat backs one direction due to the rotation of the prop. So with a MasterCraft, it has a right-hand rotation. The back of the boat will always tend to back to the right. When learning to dock a boat, it's always better to come in a little slower than too fast. I like to keep my arm firmly planted on the armrest. That way we're making small movements with just our hand and wrist instead of big movements using our entire arm. That way we have better control of the throttle and better control of our speed. I like to come in with the boat pointing a little nose right, because when we put the boat in reverse, it's going to back right for us and end up straightening the boat out. Once the boat's parallel to the dock, we can tap it in and out of gear, whether we need to go in forward or reverse to get to exactly where you want to on the dock, and then have your crew help you grab dock cleats or dock lines and help get your boat situated at the dock. One thing I like to tell people when they're just getting comfortable docking the boat is go out in open water and just learn to maneuver the boat how you'd like to. I mean, sometimes I'll use a no-wake buoy or just anything you can kind of have as a reference to getting close to something without really having to worry about doing damage to your boat or any other property. While docking the boat takes practice, MasterCraft has a few awesome innovations that help make things easier, including DockStar and Stern Thruster. The DockStar system actually has 2 additional rudders integrated into the bottom of the boat. It lets you have better control of the boat in forward and reverse and operate more like an inboard, outboard, or just an outboard. The Stern Thruster is a knob that's integrated in the top of your throttle, and it's an amazing feature. You can spin the boat a total 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. It is absolutely phenomenal when docking or trailering. And from personal experience here at the boarding school, it has made my life a lot easier. It is so incredible getting in and out of the dock, and more than anything, with people wake surfing and the rope being so short, you can easily and safely maneuver the boat around people without having to have the boat in gear. With or without DockStar or a Stern Thruster, docking the boat will take some time and some patience, but hopefully with these tips, we'll make your life a little easier in and around the dock. For more how-to content, you can visit us at our MasterCraft Boats channel on YouTube.